As Donald Trump storms back into the White House in 2025 with his Make America Great Again motto, the winds of protectionism have begun to blow once again from Washington. But while America raises its walls, India is building bridges, and one of the strongest among them, just signed, is the India UK Free Trade Agreement. Now, let us decode how this landmark deal is not just a trade pact but a geostrategic firewall against Trump's tariff tyranny, a blueprint for India's rise in the multipolar world, and a lifeline for Indian professionals abroad. Let's know about Trump's tariff comeback and why India needs a firewall. Back in the White House, Donald Trump is doing what he does best, waging a new trade war under the banner of America First. High tariffs on Chinese goods, tightened tech outsourcing, and immigration restrictions are rattling global markets. But what is India's answer? Non It's not confrontation, but it is diversification. Yes, diversification. The newly signed India UK FTA provides exactly that, a stable Western partner free from American unpredictability. America is unpredictable now. And why does this matter? Because India cannot afford to be held hostage to a single volatile partner. This deal ensures access to Western markets without going through Washington, a secure route for Indian IT and service exports, now threatened by the US visa cuts. A bold step towards strategic autonomy in trade, diplomacy, and technology. As Trump tightens America's doors, will India become the new front door for global trade? A new UK India chapter is blooming. Beyond colonial shadows, this deal marks the end of post colonial nostalgia and the dawn of a post Brexit partnership. The UK today matters to India more than ever. 34 to $40 billion in projected bilateral trade by 2030, 900 plus Indian companies in the UK employing tens of thousands led by Tata, Infosys and Wipro, shared goals in AI, clean energy and financial services. A soft power bond A soft power bond is powered by 2 million British Indians and now a UK university in India. From Gurugram to Glasgow, Bengaluru to Birmingham, this is no longer a story of aid or apology. It's a partnership of equals, a coalition of innovation. Is this the true pivot point where India finally turns its colonial past into a collaborative future? What about this global Britain and how it meets rising India? It's a strategic alignment. Post Brexit, Britain needed a new compass. It found one that is pointing east. India is now central to Britain's global Britain vision. Why? India is a gateway to the Indo Pacific, the most dynamic region on earth. London remains a financial superpower, and British capital is flowing into Indian startups and green infrastructure. Together, India and the UK are championing multilateralism as Trump withdraws. Confronting China's assertiveness in the Indo Pacific is worth noting, pushing for a rules based global order. In defense, the two are cooperating on jet engine tech, maritime surveillance, and cyber security. While Washington retreats and Beijing expands, Delhi and London are now emerging as anchors of democratic resilience. Are India and the UK now the unexpected power couple of a rebalanced world order? What about uh, the DCC agreement, protecting people, not just profits, but a trade deal that isn't truly complete until it protects the people behind the profits? Enter the DCC, the Double Contribution Convention, signed alongside the FTA. The Social Security Pact ensures that Indian professionals in the UK no longer pay dual contributions, saving up to 20% of their salary. UK workers in India are spared from duplicate deductions as well. Employers benefit from lower payroll cost and smoother cross-border postings. It also boosts mobility of Indian doctors, engineers, techies, teachers, making workforce movement easier, that's faster and also fairer. It's not just about goods crossing borders, but skills, innovation, and dreams. In a world closing its borders, is India opening smarter ones, where economics and empathy go hand in hand? And strategic shift or historic turning point? It's a big question. In the shadow of a revived US trade war, the India UK FTA is more than ink on paper. It's a geopolitical counterweight, an economic accelerator, and a message to the world. India is not waiting to be included in someone else's club. It's building its own. Now, what are the key takeaways from the things we have decoded today? FTA versus Trump tariffs. India insulates itself from the US shocks. UK's rising relevance, of course, from colonial past to the futuristic partner. And it's a global signal, a new democratic alignment shaping the post-American world. And DC sees impact. It's a real gains for real people on both sides of the border. As Trump tightens the screws on globalization, India is quietly redrawing the map, with trade as diplomacy, partnership as power, and people at the center. The question is no longer whether India will rise, it's how many allies it will take along the way. Stay with us as we track this tectonic shift in the global trade order. I'm Masumi, and you are watching The Global Eye.